and I'm gonna be showing you how to do equal traction and a line plot. So yeah, um, so right now I'm gonna be showing the equivalent fraction. So yeah, so here we go. Here's the equivalent fraction. So basically, I'm gonna start with the basics. So a half, one half, 1 second is equal to 2/4, and that's a half. And 6/12 is also a half. So 6/12 is equal to 4/8. 50 out of 100 is equal to 80 out of 80. 40 out of 80. And 11 out of 12 is equal to 8 out of 9. 4 out of 4 is equal to 1 half. 10/15 is equal to 14/18. And 66 out of 77 is equal to 33 out of 44. And here is the line plot. So basically all these are people who are going to a party, and their names are Jfred, Nellis, Jess, Sally, Mally, and Bob. So basically blue is 8 years old, and green is 11, gray is 15, and orange is 18. So yeah, the only person that is 8 is Sally. So you could put an X or a color. So basically, I'm putting colors, but you can use however you want. So yeah, but anyway, um, 11-year-olds, there is Maddie and Jayfred. 15 is Bob and Jess. And the only person that is 18 is Nellis. So yeah, that's how you should be writing it, but with X's or colors. So yeah, thank you for watching, and